The whole company's been remote since March of 2020.
Neil McCarthy is one of 80,000 Granite Staters employed by Massachusetts companies who worked from home during the pandemic and still paid Massachusetts state income tax.
Seems to be no real justification from Massachusetts, except just the fact that it's an emergency and they need the money and they're used to it.
It really concerns me and it makes me angry.
State Rep Kim Rice says she was furious that the U.S. Supreme Court did not step in, shutting the door on New Hampshire's lawsuit against Massachusetts over taxing Granite State residents like McCarthy.
What is income tax for? Just so state can grab money? Because they're not utilizing any services. They're certainly not putting wear and tear on the roads.
She worries about the possible long-term impact.
One of the things that we've learned through COVID, that these businesses learned, is that they have a lot of productive employees that can now work from home. So how many of these employees are going to stay working from home and still being forced to pay Massachusetts?
In a statement to News 9, Governor Chris Sununu says the Supreme Court is setting a costly precedent and that this decision will have lasting ramifications for thousands of Granite State residents. And New Hampshire's congressional delegation also weighing in, criticizing the Supreme Court's decision. They plan to push for legislation to set limitations on unfair taxing. But a spokesperson for Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker says the administration appreciates the Supreme Court's decision.